A company melted a $58,000 Tesla. Okay, so a car. They melted the actual car into a bust of Elon Musk, and we regret to inform you it looks absolutely. Oh man. Okay, not absolutely nothing. Stop it.
It's our buddies from Caviar.
Of course it is. Of course it's Caviar. Anytime you hear a story like this, you got to question. Oh, probably gonna be Caviar.
I mean, what do you think? Does it look like Elon?
Yeah, it's not. You know, people always have fun with that. Whenever there's like a statue or something and it looks off, people love that. It's hilarious. You know, like
just slightly
the
off.
famous one with Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm sure you saw that meme. Yeah. And then it's like something is uncanny and off about it. Maybe this angle makes it look a little like obviously it's off, but maybe this angle is a bit more forgiving than if I saw it straight on. Yeah, I mean, you can't say it looks nothing like him. Jeez.
I mean, there's effort there.
So they melted the car to make the bust, which is weird because the car's worth a lot more. I guess each car turns into a number of busts. Let's see here. Yeah, scroll back up to those first points. A Russian accessory brand, yes, we know them, Caviar. Sculptures are sold for $32.20 a piece on their website, and they sell iPhone designs. Yeah. We've seen all the crazy designs. We've had them on the show in the past. Oh, 27 Musk busts. I want myself a Musk bust.
Can't they just say statue?
No.
Call it a bust.
27 Musk busts as part of the limited edition set. All right. These new items embody the soul of Elon Musk, and therefore they will bring their owners the success and creativity of this outstanding individual. That's all it takes, Will.
Yeah, you just need an Elon head.
You get the bust, all right? You spend $32.20, you turn it into $3.2 billion, right? The bust just shouts at you to buy more crypto over and over again. Doge or whatever. Is he still going with Doge? I guess he is, eh? You want to play a little bit of the video? Yeah, why not? They're upping it. They're everyone's like, "Hey man, is this company for real? What's going on?" They're like, "You thought we were done here? We're melting Teslas now." They're like, "You thought we weren't gonna hang in there?" Oh my God, they got a video actually cutting the hood and melting it. Good Lord.
Yeah. There's an extreme amount of effort there to build it.
Lord.
To make it.
I mean, I guess the hood, though, you don't need to melt the whole Tesla. Just melt the hood and call it a day. I don't know. That's a nice looking. That's the same color setup as my Model S.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. I mean, Caviar, keep doing your thing, man. Whatever. I don't know. People gonna keep yelling about it, but it's like there's all kinds of crazy things in the world. Do your crazy thing. As long as you actually are delivering these to people, do your crazy thing. Oh, you got a Jack Ma as well. For some reason, he's only 1990. For some reason, Jack Ma's 1990. He got a gold tie, though.
Yeah. Maybe it was not a Tesla melt.
The Steve Jobs Pro Max, that thing's 6980.
Steve Jobs is even less.
You know what? Steve Jobs looks less like Steve Jobs on that bust than Elon looked like Elon. That looks less like Steve Jobs than Elon looked like Elon.
Yeah. What's he?
His heart is a bitten apple. Wow. Yeah. This is wild stuff right here.